From my point of view, one of the biggest thing what I'm proud of Enable Banking is our people. It's really like have been my pleasure always to get new people inside the Enable Banking and able to see how they start to grow and how they are starting to take responsibilities and they start to do magical things. From my point of view, why I'm so proud of the people of Enable Banking team is that people are every day bringing the best of themselves and they are really trying to make things better. They are resolving problems, they are inventing new ways, they are figuring out the new business models. Every day you are seeing the passion and you are seeing the willingness to do work, because of course when you are working in startup company, it's hard work. It's really like that you need to focus and do your part, and you are not able to hide behind somebody or behind organization. That's the beauty also, because then you are getting the chance. You are really like getting the chance to show who you are and what you can do. I'm seeing that people in Enable Banking, they are really doing this. In the tech side, in the sales side, in compliance side, it's a really visible daily based life that people are really doing their best. And I'm always talking that being like version 2.0 of you. I'm really seeing that people in our company is doing that every day. Yeah, I think there is like couple of the things what are really important. One is that you need to really understand the people who you are working. I think you need to be transparent. I think this is a really important thing from the management point of view, that you are able to deliver transparency to the people who you are working with, because then they are able to bring their best. Because if you are not transparent in different things, like example in our company, sales and tech team is having daily based communication, support is communicating all the time with the tech, and the people are really sharing knowledge inside the company. And this is making so that it's not silos, it's not these kind of like separate parts. Everybody is knowing that each other work is hard, and then everybody is able to appreciate that one, and everybody is also able to tell what they are doing and how they are doing. So this is making this kind of culture that then people are really driving things. Then there is coming this part of the trusts and believing people and giving them time to learn and make them the version 2.0 about themselves, so that you are not pushing things. This is of course difficult in the startup, that you are not pushing things, and I think we are not maybe always able to success with that one in every case, but we are always trying. Also, we have been always having this mentality that the sharing is going also like from the management to the employees and the other way around, which is meaning that employees are always knowing what I have been done yesterday in my work and what I'm doing now. It's really also giving them the feel that, okay, we all are in the same situation, we are all doing work, and this is something big thing. And then I think the third one is that I'm feeling that in our company, you can be yourself. I don't really believe that you are faking yourself in work life. I've been seeing this quite a lot in my life, because I've been doing that kind of like business in earlier. I have been doing that in one point. I was trying to be something but I was not, and I was failing totally. I think it's really like one part that you can be yourself and praising different people type. You can be introvert, you can be extrovert. It's okay, and everybody is understanding that one. And then we are trying to figure out how we are able to support you in that kind of scenarios. From my point of view, in the end, management is about that you are giving all the necessary and best tools and the possibilities to your employees to success. When we were starting the company, we are a Finnish company, but when we were starting the company, we was choosing that we are using English to be the office language and the official language of the enabled banking. And that have been giving us the power to get people from the different cultures and different places and backgrounds. I think that have been one really superpower of us. We are currently still a small company, but I think it's almost like every second person in our company is from different country originally. It's making so that we have so good variation of different backgrounds, different types of people. I'm thinking this little bit like supercomputer, that you have like different units which are a little bit doing the processing different ways. And then when you are using this kind of supercomputer, the response, the end result is better because you have these different elements and not just raw power, not just single, raw power thing. You have the multiple things and they are bringing more to you and you are seeing more. This is something what I really appreciated in our company, like that we have been able to get different kind of peoples. And for me, it has been always like, I have been saying that the hardest hiring for me is that I would need to hire myself, because I don't believe in copying yourself. I'm believing that you are finding people who are better than you in different areas and they can complement you. This is what we have been done. From my point of view, this kind of thinking is pushing you in the right direction in this thing, that you are really like not looking similar kind of people in same group, that you are always looking a little bit different way to think, and it's automatically pushing you to get amazing people inside the company.